Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to use Copilot to be using the deep research mode. Okay, so usually by default this is the default mode, which is the smart mode, but when you click on this you'll be able to see think deeper, which is better for more complex topics. Okay, if we have more complex topics, it's better to use this because this smart thinks deeply or quickly based on task, and it can be very quickly based on the task you gave it. But if you want more precision and deeper thinking, you would better use a think deeper mode. Have this separate questions. Write a thought-provoking speech on beyond the degree, building a career that outlives your certificates. So this is a question, and I'm going to use a think deeper mode. So I'm selecting it, and I'm just going to even enter it. So you can see it is thinking a little bit, and you can see the result is not going to be the same as you use the same kind of thinking, which is the big point. So good morning everyone. Today I wanted to talk about a degree opens the door but does not build for that. Take a look at the content. It talks about the myth of the certificate, skills that outlive credentials, building durable career habits, practical steps you can take today to map your ideas or to action. And this is a bit thought-provoking. It's a bit deeper, a building durable and career habits. You can see it's a bit deeper than the normal smart thinking method that you're going to have. Okay, so it's good whenever you have a thought-provoking question to use this mode to kind of write particular you are thinking you are going to write. So let's try one more question. So let's say I have this. Okay, so prepare an inspiring speech on the skills that will matter more than the GPA in the next decade. Yes, so you can be on split, and this is going to directly value to see is thinking, and they're just giving you the speech. Why GPA will matter less? Okay, skills that will matter more than GPA, and these are the skills. In fact, it's this that everything. Why these skills are from dates? You can see transferability, compounding, human advantage, signals versus soft funds. How to build them down with practice programming. Spend 5 minutes 3 times a week on new tool framework or spotting on by 1% immediately. Shift small projects, seek advanced diverse feedback, rotate roles and tasks, then you will work stories, okay? Practice ethical reflection and so on. Using call to action. You see so many of them. So it's kind of detailed, and this is really excellent. Once you are done, you can edit this in a page and click and power it in the page. And you can actually work on it on this. You can see all of these basic written features that you can check the header, the bolding, the italicing, the bulletin for the coding, from just code replace. So it's very, very easy to kind of edit this. And once you're okay, so you can download the value as all document, then you will be able to have access to it and continue with your speech writing, edit more further, or you can do whatever. So this concludes this sentence tutorial about the use of the Copilot deeper thinking in research. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.